Best ways to attract hummingbirds to your yard. Tricks and tips. Hummingbirds are delightful and fascinating creatures that bring life and beauty to any outdoor space. Their tiny size, rapid wing beats, and vibrant colors make them a joy to watch. If you want to attract these aerial acrobats to your yard, you'll need to provide a welcoming environment with food, water, shelter, and the right habitat. Here's how to create a hummingbird-friendly garden. 1. Plant nectar-rich flowers. Hummingbirds primarily feed on nectar from flowers, so planting a variety of nectar-rich blooms is essential. Choose native flowers that are rich in nectar, and aim for a mix of plants that bloom at different times of the year to provide a continuous food source. Best flowers for hummingbirds: bee balm, trumpet vine, salvia, honeysuckle, columbine, fuchsia, and petunias. Color matters. Hummingbirds are particularly attracted to red, orange, pink, and yellow flowers. Plant variety. Include tubular-shaped flowers, as they hold more nectar and are easier for hummingbirds to access. 2. Set up hummingbird feeders. Supplement natural nectar sources with hummingbird feeders filled with homemade nectar. Homemade nectar recipe. Mix 1 part white granulated sugar with 4 parts water. Boil the mixture for a few minutes, let it cool, and fill the feeders. Avoid using honey, artificial sweeteners, or food coloring, as they can be harmful. Feeder placement. Hang feeders in a shaded or semi-shaded area near flowers and perches. Cleaning routine. Clean feeders at least twice a week in warm weather to prevent mold and bacteria. 3. Provide water sources. Hummingbirds need water not only for drinking but also for bathing. They prefer shallow water sources and misting features. Best water features: misting fountains, shallow bird baths, and dripping water sources. Placement. Position water features near nectar sources for easy access. 4. Create shelter and perches. Hummingbirds need places to rest and take cover from predators. Providing natural or artificial perches will encourage them to stay in your yard. Ideal perches: thin branches, trellises, or wires where they can rest between feeding sessions. Shrubs and trees. Plant dense shrubs and trees to offer nesting sites and protection. 5. Avoid pesticides and insecticides. Hummingbirds consume small insects for protein, especially during nesting season. Avoid using pesticides in your garden to ensure a healthy supply of natural food sources like gnats, mosquitoes, and fruit flies. 6. Maintain a hummingbird-friendly environment year-round. To keep hummingbirds returning each season, maintain your garden year-round. Winter preparations. If you live in a colder climate, leave some feeders up longer in case of late migratory stragglers. Spring and summer. Keep feeders clean, maintain flower beds, and provide fresh water sources. 7. Be patient and observant. Attracting hummingbirds may take time. Keep an eye out for their arrival and adjust your setup as needed. Once they discover a reliable food and water source, they are likely to return year after year. By following these steps, you can create a haven for hummingbirds in your yard and enjoy their dazzling presence throughout the season. Happy birdwatching! And please give this video a like. The birds will thank you.